Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're going to talk about a bizarre series of photos that may be botflies like this. Before we get started, I want to thank everyone for all the support. We've managed to keep the page alive despite YouTube killing our monetization, so thank you for everyone who's supported us by shopping at m7amazon.com. So a botfly is a parasitic maggot that survives within the flesh of other animals. But is this series of photos a botfly or not? I honestly don't know for sure the answer, so I asked the fans of our Instagram page, @GreatestMedical, and I'll tell you what people had to say in a moment. First, let's take a look at a few botfly removal clips so you can help judge for yourself. And that'll give you time to click the subscribe button, leave a comment with your opinion, and click like. So what is the answer? 64% of you said no, it's not a botfly. That's 596 total no votes, and the vast majority of comments say that it is a cyst. What do you think, folks? Do you think it's a cyst? Or do you think it's a botfly? Or perhaps something else? Leave it in the comments below. And thanks for watching.
Hey, my name's Leanne. I'm checking in with Thynergy. I've been on it for 4 months now, and I am continuously still losing weight. I have a lot more energy. My dog's super happy because he gets to go on a lot more walks, and we actually did a 8-mile hike last weekend, which was a lot of fun.
Looking for a great way to cut weight and look great? Well, it's time to check out Thynergy. Available exclusively from Amazon, Thynergy is America's top weight loss supplement. This elite fat-burning formula turns your body into a calorie-burning furnace.
Thynergy, you guys are helping people lose weight.
This is a shout out to the team at Thynergy.
Thynergy.
To all the crew at Thynergy, I wanted to just tell you guys to keep losing all the weight. You're doing amazing, and congrats on hitting your goals.
I highly recommend Thynergy. I think you should give it a shot.